All right, welcome back. Are we priced out of justice? This is a very important thing when it becomes law. Are we priced out of justice? How many times are we going to hear that, you need to get a lawyer because the lawyer knows how to talk to the judge because they've been in that environment and they've networked, so forth and so on. Ask yourself something very simplistic. The lawyer has to gather all of the information from you to tell the person in court. And if you watch court proceedings, you will hear those lawyers speak normal English. They will speak normal English. Now, you, me, people that they consider lower class or poor people or, middle class and below, if you ever notice, they don't really use the class system anymore because they believe that you immediately have an emotional reaction to the word poor person or lower class person or middle class person. So we've started to use, again, rhetorical situation. We started to use words that you don't identify immediately with an emotional reaction. This is all to bamboozle you. Everybody really wants the truth, but then we ask ourselves, can you handle hearing it? If you are poor, why can't you be identified as poor? It just doesn't make sense. So when you have civil cases, i.e. the things that judicial immunity deal in the most, when you have these things, immunity itself is literally you not being able to be infected by it. This cannot be a thing. It just can't be. We cannot go to these court systems and not be able to afford to be heard. That doesn't make sense. Nobody should go to court and feel like because I do not have money, I will not get justice. This is a fundamental problem. If you are going to court and you're like, man, he going to jail or she's going to jail because they're broke, you know the system doesn't work. So we have to vote in people who are going to do something different. It is high time to find out if democracy really works or if it is indeed a ruse. If we have been priced out of justice. I don't want to be priced out of justice, but you need to start really thinking about that term when you think about who you're going to put in office next. Are you priced out of running for office because you don't have the money?